Hey there, and welcome back to the Grow Your List series. I'm Rebecca Austin, your Kajabi mentor and conversion coach. And today we're talking about a game changing strategy for building your list, and that is paid advertising. If you've ever thought about using paid ads to grow your audience but felt overwhelmed by all the options, today's episode is for you. We're going to break down step by step. You'll learn best practices for getting started, common pitfalls to avoid, how to budget effectively, and a few insider tips to maximize your results, even if you're brand new to ads. And before we dive in, make sure to check out the link in the description to get access to the full Grow Your List series and receive future episodes delivered straight to your inbox each week. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's start with why paid ads are such a powerful tool for lead generation. Now, organic growth is amazing. It's one of my favorite ways of marketing. But granted, even though it's amazing and it's economical, it can take time. Paid ads allow you to reach the right people faster, whether you're targeting a specific demographic, interest group, or even people who have interacted with your content before. Now, the beauty of paid ads is their ability to scale. Once you find an ad that works, you can put more budget behind it to drive even greater results. That's like having a traffic faucet you can turn on whenever you need more leads. So how do you get started with paid ads? Well, here are a few of my best practices that you need to know. Number one is start with one platform. It's tempting to be everywhere, but I recommend starting with just one platform like Facebook, Instagram, or Google Ads based on where your ideal audience spends their time. Master that platform before adding others. This allows you to go deeper into the analytics to figure out what's working and maximize your ad spend. Number two is create a clear offer. Your ad needs to lead to something irresistible, like a lead magnet, a webinar, or discount. Make sure the offer is specific, valuable, and directly tied to your audience's needs. Third is target the right audience. In ads, that is kind of the magic sauce, is defining and reaching the right audience. So take advantage of the powerful targeting tools most ad platforms offer, and that allows you then to narrow your audience based on their interests, behaviors, or demographics to ensure your ad reaches the people that are more likely and most likely to engage with your ad. Fourth, you want to test different ad creatives. Don't rely on just one image, video, or copy. Run A/B split tests with different versions of your ad to see which resonates the most with your audience. This is a big one because so often we'll throw an ad out there, see what happens, but we don't have enough data then to know why we're not getting engagement if you're not seeing the results that you're wanting. So when you're expanding on it a little bit, it gives you more insights so that you can refine faster. And also have a solid landing page. The ad is just the beginning. Your landing page should be clean, easy to navigate, and laser focused on the call to action that you are shooting for, which is converting visitors into leads. Once you have the lead, then we can move into building a relationship and driving the conversion. All right, now let's talk about budgeting. This is a really big one because so often, especially if you work with ad agencies get paid by a percentage of what your ad spend is. So generally speaking, they're going to encourage you to spend more. But here is what I have found to be the most effective, and that is start small. You don't need a massive budget to see results. In fact, $5 to $10 per day is enough to test the waters and gather valuable data. But that's the big thing. What we want to do is find that sweet spot where we're spending enough ad spend, where we're getting good data, but not so much that we're just throwing money away in the initial when we're figuring out the various aspects of your ad to figure out what works and start getting the right conversions, then scale. Paid ads are a marathon, not a sprint. It might take a little time to find what works, and that's okay, but just treat the first few weeks as a learning phase. Analyze your results, make adjustments, and then scale up when you find a winning formula. All right, let's make sure you avoid some of the most common pitfalls. First of all, the biggest pitfall I see is skipping the research. If you don't understand your audience's pain points or preferences, your ads will miss the mark. Now, a great tool to use for this is AI because there is so much information that you can collect quickly when you're creating your ads and using AI tools to help you with that research. The second pitfall is not testing enough. Ads that don't perform well can teach you what doesn't work, so don't be afraid to experiment. Third is sending traffic to a weak landing page. Now, we talked about this before on best strategies and things that you need, which is the landing page. So just really make sure that you have a solid landing page. Even the best ad won't convert if your landing page doesn't deliver, if there's a broken link, if the messaging isn't clear, if you just have too many calls to action. There's a lot that goes into making sure your ad goes to a good landing page. And of course, the last pitfall is stopping too soon. Ads need time to gather data. Don't pull the plug after just a day or two if you're not seeing immediate results. Sometimes it takes some time for your platform to build and they have their own internal algorithms and AI tools to be able to figure out what is the best formula to be able to reach the right audience. Want to take your paid ads even further? Here are some advanced tips. First is retargeting. Show ads to people who have already visited your site or engaged with your content. Retargeting is one of the most cost-effective ways to convert warm leads. Second is custom audiences. You can upload your email list to platforms like Facebook to create custom audiences, then run ads specifically targeting them. And of course, you can do things like lookalike audiences. So you can use data from your existing customers to target people with similar behaviors and interests. Paid ads are a tool, and like any tool, they're most effective when used with strategy and intention. Everything you need to get started with paid ads for lead generation right there. When done right, paid ads can be a game changer for growing your list and scaling your business. Now, if you're enjoying the Grow Your List series, don't forget to subscribe and grab access to the entire series through the playlist and via email. There's a link in the description and you'll get all future episodes delivered straight to your inbox so you never miss a thing. And speaking of what's next, don't miss the next episode where we will explore the power of influencer marketing and affiliate marketing for lead generation. It's a strategy that can bring a whole new level of credibility and reach to your business. And I can't wait to share it with you. Until then, remember, the key to success is learning, testing, and staying consistent. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye for now.